Here's your latest briefing for the very dangerous winter storm that is beginning to affect the area. Will continue to affect the area through the rest of today. Also talk about the dangerous wind chills that will be coming in to the region tonight, and that will last through Tuesday morning. Here's a radar loop over the last about 2 hours from approximately 3 a.m. to near the current time, which is about 4:50 a.m. this morning. See the area over in southwest Missouri of moderate to occasionally heavy snow is moving into the region. First it will impact parts of central Missouri and then move east-northeastward and affect portions of southeast as well as east central Missouri by 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. This area will continue to move to the east-northeast and produce moderate to occasionally heavy snow. System concerns of some mixed precipitation down across far southeastern Missouri and southwest Illinois. In this area, sleet can mix in with the snow. Snowfall totals so far that we've gotten into our office from the overnight hours, generally 1 to 3 inches across portions of northeast Missouri and west central Illinois. The accumulations over a majority of the area to the south and east has been from a dusting to a half an inch. And here are the latest snowfall totals for the storm ending this afternoon. Not too much change from the previous forecast issued at 2 a.m. Far northwestern parts of the area, a general 3 to 6 inches is expected, mainly along and northwest of a Columbia to Quincy line. 6 to 10 inches of snow is expected a bit further to the east-southeast, from just east of Jeff City through Bowling Green and on into Pike County, Illinois. Heaviest snow totals look to be 10 to 14 inches with locally heavier amounts possible, roughly along portions of the I-44 corridor in Missouri and the I-70 corridor in Illinois. The worst of the winter storm will be moving in over the next hour or so and will continue through early to mid-afternoon. Thunderstorm remains possible, especially for the St. Louis metro and over portions of southeast Missouri and southern Illinois. Travel conditions will deteriorate very quickly later on this morning, and roads will become near impassable, likely by late morning. Near blizzard conditions are also likely due to the heavy snowfall rates as well as the blowing and drifting snow from the northwest winds that will gust to near 30 miles per hour. This will also cause drifts in rural areas that could reach 3 to 4 feet deep. Behind the winter storm and the heavy snow, bitterly cold Arctic air is going to spill into the region beginning tonight. Here's a map of wind chills valid on Monday morning at 6 a.m. And these wind chills, unfortunately, will not moderate too much during the day on Monday, as high temperatures look to stay below zero, and the winds out of the northwest will stay up above 10 miles per hour with higher gusts possible. Wind chill readings from late tonight through Tuesday morning will be between minus 25 and minus 35 for a vast majority of the area. And that is why a wind chill warning will go into effect tonight and last through Tuesday morning. Wind chill warnings are issued when wind chill values are expected to be below minus 25. Reviewing some of the most severe impacts we expect out of this storm. Near blizzard conditions are expected beginning late this morning, especially on this afternoon as the winds pick up, and that will cause more blowing and drifting of snow. And visibilities will be reduced to at or below 1/4 mile due to the rapidly accumulating snowfall, along with the wind causing blowing and drifting of the snow. Road conditions will deteriorate rapidly this morning and likely remain impassable through this afternoon. Conditions for this winter storm that are setting up are very, very rare for this area, so anyone considering travel should not take this severe winter storm lightly. In addition to the heavy snow, again, we have to worry about the wind chills, especially starting tonight and lasting through Tuesday. They plummet into very dangerous levels. Anybody that does become stranded in a vehicle may encounter a life or death situation. And any but the bare skin exposed to these conditions could get frostbite in a matter of minutes. This concludes the weather briefing for 5 a.m. Sunday morning, January 5th, 2014. For further information about this storm system, please visit our website at www.weather.gov/St. Louis. Look for the next briefing later on this morning, probably by 9 a.m.